On this episode of Philomena.com, I am kicking off one of my Liberian bucket list items. I am visiting Mount Nimba, the highest point in Liberia today. The views on this episode are going to be amazing, and you'll get to learn a little bit of the history behind Mount Nimba and the Mount Nimba Reserve, so make sure you stay tuned. Little pit stop. Say hi, friends.
Hey!
Look at this view.
Beautiful.
We still got an hour to go. Let's go.
We're gonna climb that.
Show us how we do it, West Tourism.
We're gonna climb it like this. Like this.
Uh-huh. So we have reached a little kink in the road. Tree came down. No cutlass. So we about to thug this thing out here.
Come on, vamonos!
All right, Dora. Jesus. That's going on the episode, so you know. Started our climb up the mountain. Shakita, Joe, Serene, my man, Rambo. See if we make it. Wasn't expecting this workout.
That's the Nimba range. The mountain you see when we feel Guinea. We call it Mafeki. The East Nimba Nature Reserve, it was created in 2003 when the government deemed it necessary to keep this place as a reserve. And before the creation of the East Nimba Nature Reserve, you have over 27 communities living around the reserve, and it depends wholly and fully on the reserve for their livelihood benefits. CR went to conservation agreement with 12 communities around the reserve. Those communities are, yes, you have Seton Two, you have Dule, you have Geipa, you have Zotapa, you have Kianfo, you have Obe, you have Zulowi, you have Bapa, you have Bapa, and you also have other communities that is coming. Also, in those communities we have former rangers, those that used to former hunters, those that used to hunt in the reserve, to hunt animals. We identify them and we train them into ecosystem or fauna conservationists. They also help FDA to patrol in the reserve for compliance.
Blue iron ore
Yeah.
is in here,
Yeah.
and that's why I got the name Blue Lake.
Blue Lake, yes.
And Lamco used to, you know the name of this machine?
No, not at all. Not at all.
It just extracted the iron ore to the top where we were.
Yeah, there were two machines, but one left in there due to the blue hole taking it from there, and then left it as the water king for honor.
So it's sunk.
Yeah, blue for honor, for force,
Wow.
and then left it there.
So how deep is Blue Lake?
Very deep.
It must
Very
be.
deep. Yeah, I think you can see the pool in there.
Yeah, I know now.
Pools are half full.
I forgot how we got up. Oh my god. Let me respect myself. I'm not an FDA top ranger like Sandal. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Philomena.com. I hope you enjoyed this unique and beautiful inside look into one of Liberia's treasures, Mount Nimba. I want to thank Rami again for the amazing collaboration. Make sure you stay tuned for the next episode. If you like this episode, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. See you soon.